This is MJ and today I'm going to be showing you how to work the seed stitch. I'm using Sugarbush Yarns Chill. It's a super bulky 6 yarn and I'm using a 9mm crochet hook. I've started out by chaining 11. So beginning with chaining an odd number, we'll work this stitch in an even number of stitches. So in the second chain from the hook, 1, 2, we'll do 1 single crochet. Now in the next chain, we'll do a double crochet. And if you need to review your stitches, you can go back and look at the tutorials on how to do a single and a double. Next stitch, we'll single crochet. And the next stitch we'll do a double. And we repeat this pattern all the way along our chain, working a single crochet and then working a double crochet. I'll continue working and meet you at the end. Okay, so we should be ending with a double crochet, because we'll start every round with a single and every row with a double. So now we'll turn and chain 1. And so we're working the single crochet in the double crochet from the previous row. And now we work a double crochet in the single crochet from the previous row. And a single, and a double. Now if you alternate your rows in different colors, you'll get a houndstooth effect. And if you're working in a solid, just one color, it just gives you a nice texture to your stitch pattern. So I'm going to work up a couple rows just so that you can see how the stitch pattern will look. Okay, so I've worked up 7 rows and I'll just show you how to count them here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when we're doing the seed stitch, it actually works out to close to about the same height as if we were doing a half double crochet. So a single and a double together make about the height of a half double crochet stitch. And as you can see, it gives a really nice sort of textured look to the piece as opposed to just working a regular half double crochet.